Is Zelle safe? Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer P2P payment service that allows users to send and receive money quickly, typically within minutes. While Zelle is widely used for personal payments, many people question its safety given the rise of online scams and fraud. This guide provides a detailed evaluation of Zelle's security features, potential risks, and best practices for safe use. 1. Overview of Zelle. Zelle was launched in 2017 by Early Warning Services, LLC, a financial technology company owned by major U.S. banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, and Capital One. The service is integrated into the mobile banking apps of over 1,700 banks and credit unions across the U.S. to security features. Zelle employs bank-level security protocols to protect user information and transactions, including 256-bit encryption to secure data during transfers, multi-factor authentication (MFA) to verify user identities, real-time monitoring for unusual activity or potential fraud, integration with banks' security systems, providing an extra layer of protection. 3. How Zelle works. Zelle transfers funds directly between bank accounts using email addresses or phone numbers. Payments typically arrive within minutes, making it faster than traditional bank transfers, but also more prone to irreversible mistakes. 4th, fraud and scam risks. While Zelle is safe from unauthorized access when using strong passwords and bank-level security, the biggest risk comes from scams and fraud. Common scams include impersonation scams. Fraudsters pose as banks, businesses, or government agencies. Purchase scams. Scammers sell goods or services without delivering after receiving payment. Phishing attempts. Fraudsters send emails or texts pretending to be from Zelle or banks to steal login credentials. Key point: Zelle transactions are irreversible, meaning lost funds can rarely be recovered if sent to fraudsters or incorrect recipients. 5. Protections for users. Authorized transactions. Zelle does not provide buyer or seller protections for peer-to-peer payments. Unauthorized transactions. If someone gains access to your bank account without your consent, banks are required by law to investigate and reimburse eligible fraudulent transactions. 6. Common mistakes that lead to issues. Sending money to strangers. Zelle is designed for trusted individuals, not verifying recipient details. Incorrect email addresses or phone numbers lead to permanent loss of funds. Falling for social engineering scams. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to trick users into quickly sending funds. 7. Safety tips for using Zelle. Send money only to people you know and trust. Double-check recipient information before sending payments. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA on your banking app. Ignore unsolicited messages or requests for Zelle payments. Regularly monitor your bank accounts for unauthorized activity. Act Zelle versus other payment apps. Zelle, instant transfers, bank integration, but no buyer protection. Venmo, buyer protection available, but transactions take longer unless you pay a fee. PayPal, strong buyer protection but higher transaction fees. Cash App, simple interface but higher fraud rates compared to Zelle. Conclusion: Zelle is safe when used correctly. Its bank-level security and encryption protocols protect your money and personal data. However, Zelle lacks buyer protection, making it risky for payments to unknown individuals. To stay safe, only send money to people you trust and stay vigilant for scams. For purchasing goods or services, PayPal or credit cards offer better protection.